Katrin here with European Papercrafts. Today I like to show you the new Doodlebug line called Down on the Farm. And I'm going to complement it with some of the Country Life items by Papermania. Now, most of the items that I carry in my store are European imports, but once in a while there's a company that has designs that I just can't resist, and one of them is Doodlebug. I just love their designs. They're so cute, so fresh, so I have to have them. And today we're going to look at Down on the Farm. So let's get started with the paper pack. Right here I have the 6x6 paper pad, and it has 24 double-sided cardstock papers in it. So let's go through them because they're really cute. So we're starting off with an all-over design, and it has all the elements from Down on the Farm, the cow and the pigs. We have on the back, it's a gingham, and then we have this pretty paper. We have the little piglets. And here are the cows. I really like the back of this paper as well. These are cut aparts that would look really cute on a card. And here is the farm as a paper. And again, we have some cut aparts, some borders here. Chickens, super cute. And how is this? Like a jeans pocket. A black gingham and almost like a beehive. Lots of little flowers, and here we have the cut aparts again. So super cute. Yeah, so I had to have them. They are just so whimsical. And here we got the horses, and this looks like a wall. So I can only see beautiful cards. Sheep. And a woody brown, almost like little daisies, and a green background paper. And then here it starts again. So they are in there twice, 12 different designs, 24 sheets, double-sided. So you can cut them apart and then also use the other side. And then complementing are these stickers. So here we have what's called the icon stickers, and you can see the cows and the tractor. It's a pretty sun here. All the designs we have just seen in the paper are also on this big sticker sheet. Okay, and then we have the mini icons, and they have similar embellishments. They're just scaled down. So see the little piglet here, and then you can see it how it is smaller. And in this one there are actually two sheets, two different ones. So here you can see they say perfect for planners and calendars. I can see that also to decorate the inside of your card or maybe your envelopes. Super cute. Up next is what they call odds and ends. There are 90 pieces in this bag, and on the back you have all the different designs. So I took them out of the bag so we can see what's in there. So for example, here's the little cow, and I brought a ruler so you can see how big they are. So this is about 2 inches by 2.5. So these are nice card toppers. There is a farmhouse here that is a little bigger. That's 3.5 inches by 3 inches. And then we have all the designs that are already familiar to us now. Fences and little ponies. Well, actually that looks like a goat. It's got the horns here. That's a little goat. And we have a well. And there is a beautiful barn. And there's the little country girl. And flowers and haystacks. And a little duckling. So all kinds of different embellishments, and 90 altogether. There are smaller ones, like this one is probably just an inch. Yeah. So these are like little seed packets. So cute. So you have an idea. Lots and lots of pieces that you can embellish your cards with. So then we have the jelly clips. Those of you familiar with Doodlebugs know that they come up with these beautiful paper clips that are embellished with these jelly-like rubber type of toppings. So we have the cow here, and the barn, and the piglet, and the pony. And if you do planners, then of course they're perfect, but I will put mine on one of those cards that I will create, and the card will become a present in itself, by having something beautiful like this on the card. So there are 4 in the pack. Then we also have some washi tape, and this is how it looks like. So we have our familiar characters on a greenish background. That's the washi tape. And then we have the Doodle Pops. These are 3D embellishments, 1 per bag. This one right here, the little lamp. See, it's already layered, and it's a sticker that comes off. So cute. So you put this on your card, you're basically done. And another one are these chicklets. One is hatching. Even the worm is here. Super cute. So I cannot wait to make cards with those embellishments. I thought what would go perfectly with the Down on the Farm theme would be the Country Life by Papercrafts Papermania. Let's see where we have it right here. So we're going to start off with this Ultimate Die Cut and Paper Pack. It has 48 sheets in there, background papers and die cut sheets, and they're all on linen textured paper, so high quality. And in this pack you have 14 die cut sheets, 22 papers with 11 designs. We have 4 acetate sheets, and then 8 decoupage sheets for designs. So let's see what's in there. You can see there's these beautiful flowers, sunflowers. There are background papers, Home Sweet Home. Other background papers, gingham, little hearts, flowers, strawberries. Let's see, we have alphabet in here. So with this pack you literally can make 100 cards. Because you have all these different papers, you have all the different die cut embellishments that you can make beautiful farm themed cards. For example, here's this hearth. Isn't that beautiful? I don't know if it zooms in here, maybe not. But yeah, that would make one cute card. So then also we have die cut sentiments. So those are stickers, and they're as well printed on the linen textured paper. And we have all different greetings here, happy birthday, special friend, for you, birthday wishes, and it comes in 2 sheets, so you have that twice with lots of love. And then my third item would be this pack of cards that would go along with this line, and there are, let's see, we have it right here, 6 designs, and there are 12 cards in total in this pack. And I took them out so you can see him. And these cards come with these very pretty envelopes too. Very cute. So you have 1 yellow card, gingham, yellow. Then we have this fun background. We have polka dots. We have Home Sweet Home. We got the chickens and white hearts on green paper. So These cards are A6 cards. And to round it off, of course, we need some bling. And I bought 4 all in gold today, but you find them in silver as well in my online shop. So first we have these doodle stickers, and these are corners. So they come off. Let me just show them to you. So super pretty. They look like jewelry. That's how pretty they are. Okay. So we have different ones, smaller ones, bigger ones, and I know it's very glary, but you can tell the next size and then the very small size. These are styrofoam stickers, and they are borders in different designs. Very glittery, very pretty, doesn't come off, so they call them micro glitter stickers. Then Glitterations is the next one. That's also by Papermania, and it has these beautiful butterflies. Look how gorgeous they are. They're also like pieces of jewelry. That's how pretty they are. And then I thought I'm gonna add a styrofoam happy birthday, and of course there are many other sentiments available if you're looking for other than birthday, but they have these stickers and then little flowers that you can embellish. All these products you can find at europeanpapercrafts.com or 3dcardmaking.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. Also, there will be information about these products in the info box below. Please leave me a comment, let me know what you like, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook. I will make cards with these products so you can see them. And if you like, join us on Facebook. We have a craft group where I post my cards, but also other customers post their artwork, and there's a lot of inspiration on this Facebook group, so make sure you join us. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.